When you're visiting the Philippines and want to escape the city, I suggest heading up north to Ilocos Norte. I might be a little biased because I'm Ilocano, but this place is unreal. A short 20-minute hike later, welcome to Cangrian Falls in Barangay Agaga, Burgos, Ilocos Norte. The top gives you this unreal panoramic view of the falls. And down here, absolutely unreal, deep enough for swimming and jumping. Even Katrina Gray visited this spot, and honestly I get why. If you want peace, nature, and adventure, Ilocos Norte is calling.